Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 11th, 2012. It is 6:49 a.m. and we're starting off the morning on a cloudy note for most locations as we do have a few disturbances moving through the northern mid-Atlantic. Temperatures range from the upper 30s to the lower 40s, which is pretty much on par for this time of year. Once again, Messina is the cold spot with the temperature around 32 degrees. Also notice that our dew points are a little bit higher this morning than we've been seeing the past few mornings. So that will allow a little bit better potential for some showers as the atmosphere is a little bit more moist, and thus perhaps we'll get a few of these showers to reduce the fire danger that we've been under over the past several days and weeks. And take a look at the current surface map. You can see one disturbance over the eastern Great Lakes that will be approaching the northern mid-Atlantic this afternoon. And of course, we have our upper level low that is starting to weaken but slowly lift off towards the Canadian Maritimes, and high pressure that will take control for basically tomorrow evening on through Saturday. When we take a look at the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see we have our one disturbance over the St. Lawrence River Valley. Here's another disturbance moving out of the eastern Great Lakes and moving towards the northern mid-Atlantic. And yet another disturbance off of the mid-Atlantic coast that's moving out into the Atlantic. All of these disturbances will be rotating through the northern mid-Atlantic, producing a threat for a few scattered showers, but nothing widespread or anything heavy for the most part. Just again, some nuisance showers and variable cloud cover. See the latest radar, you see the disturbance over the eastern Great Lakes is rather weak, but we do have a few scattered showers here and some low clouds and a little bit of drizzle. Nothing too heavy again, but still a threat for a few isolated showers. And again, you can see the same thing over Connecticut as well with a few scattered showers. Now, these scattered showers will produce some minor ponding on the roadways, reducing visibility at times anywhere from 2 to 4 miles, but not a widespread heavy rainfall event. Again, just some nuisance showers. And when we take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website, once again, we're using the European model guidance, which is performing the best in this weather pattern. You can see our upper level low and trough situated right over the northern mid-Atlantic this afternoon, producing a few scattered showers. And of course, at 850 millibars, we have cooler temperatures aloft. And that means temperatures this afternoon will range anywhere from the basically the lower to mid 50s for most locations, which is below normal for this time of year, but not significantly below normal. Lower to mid 50s as you move towards the Delaware River Valley, lower 50s as you move into the interior and right along the coast. Moving in towards tomorrow, you can see our upper level trough starts to move off the coast. We start moving in a northwesterly flow. Still a threat for a few isolated showers, but high pressure starts to take control in the late afternoon and evening hours, with temperatures rebounding nicely into the 60s. And this weekend, really, it's going to be really pleasant. With high pressure in control and an upper level ridge building over the region on Friday and Saturday, temperatures will warm into the 70s. By this Sunday, temperatures will push into the mid to upper 70s. Now, a warm front will produce a few scattered showers on Sunday morning, but again, not a heavy rainfall event, just a few scattered showers, some variable cloud cover on Sunday morning, and Sunday afternoon, temperatures rapidly warm up into the mid to upper 70s in many locations. If you're right along the coast, look for more like lower 70s, upper 60s due to the influence from the Atlantic, especially if you are on eastern Long Island. Moving in for the start of next week, well, another cold front moves through. Again, this cold front isn't going to be very impressive, but it will knock temperatures back down into the mid to upper 60s, which is pretty much on normal for this time of year. And for Tuesday and for Wednesday, a few disturbances will move through, keeping the weather pattern active, but again, no major storms in the often, no severe weather events, just basically temperatures rebounding between the near normal levels in the mid to upper 60s and then pushing up into the 70s ahead of these cold fronts. So again, nothing too significant, no major storms, no major heat waves, no major cold snaps, just your typical spring type pattern with a very progressive weather pattern in place and cold fronts moving through with a few scattered showers. That's your forecast for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.